Hi guys! Welcome to our Legoland!
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog!
So dito guys is bibisitahin muna namin ang aming mga yate. Yate guys na hindi naman namin pag-aari. So dito guys, maganda dito magmuni-muni sa tabing dagat. Maghahanap kami ng makakainan. So here. So as usual guys, hindi naman tayo makapagsalita no kasi diyan naman silang lahat at bago lang din kami napagalitan. Kaming tong dalawa kasi alaga ko palaging nag-aaway-away. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy to our video guys as we going to swim for the day. So maghanap kami ngayon ng maliliguan dahil sa init ng sikat ng araw. So kailangan talaga nating i-push through yung ating video guys kahit wala nang nakikinig kasi busy-busyhan na si Tonton. Hi guys! Welcome to our Legoland! Legoland again, guys. Guys. Going to swim, guys. Hi, guys. Summer get away again, guys. It's summer axia. And then we're going to take some of the rides, guys.
Hey. Ajay.
I'm gonna scream this ticket. It's scary when you go down. It's actually quite fast.
Next ride, guys. Next ride is this one. Woo! Get some more, guys. Get some more. Another splash there. Kuha na, hold on. See, on the railing. Summer ang saya, guys. Annyeong.